Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We will love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making a wood snowman with a lit scenery. You could use this for a fireplace, a mantle, your entry table, anywhere in your home, and even an office. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. Today's DIY will be a quick, simple, and easy one. All materials that we are using will be listed in the description bar below this video. We DIY'd a project some months back on a candle holder, and this is just some raw material that is left behind from it. And it's a 12-inch piece of wood, and it's also a 6-inch piece of wood. And we are just going to make a cute little snowman with it today. And we also will do a scenery, but this is something that you can put in your home or a office, and it looks so cute when it's all put together. So what we're doing right now is we are about to texture this piece of wood. So we're using the glitter to texture it just a little bit. We don't want it too textured, but lightly textured. And that is putting the texture, as you can see, into the piece of wood. So this is how you would texture your wood. We are cutting out the Santa Claus hat to place on the snowman's head. If you do not know how to sew, there's always an easy way of doing this snowman's hat. You could use your glue gun to put the hat together. We are finished sewing the snowman's hat, but we are going to give it a little more detail. If you don't choose to give yours detail, you can skip this part of the video and go on to making your scarf. But we just want to give the snowman's hat a little more detail around the rim of the hat. We wanted to make it more thicker, and then at the top, we're going to apply the little ball. But if you don't sew, you can always use the little styrofoam ball and cover the plush material in the ball using the glue gun. We are now making the snowman scarf, and we always like to be detailed. So if you don't want certain details to your scarf, then you can skip this part and just do the little fringes at the end of your scarf. But we are going to put like little balls on the scarf. We are just cutting out the pattern to make the little details at the end of the scarf. We are making little round balls to go at the very bottom of the scarf. So we found this house at Target and we couldn't find any more. We thought they were the cutest little houses, so we looked for more. They couldn't find them, but they ended up giving us this little house for $1. It was in a little dollar area at Target, so we're assuming that it was around $1. It could have been $3, but there wasn't a tag and we couldn't find any more, so they gave it to us for $1. So as you can see, we're just adding little details to the lining of the house to give it more of that warm look. We are now putting the project together and you will see how it turns out. This is actually a little carrot that is made out of clay, and we got this from Hobby Lobby, and we've used this on previous DIYs. So the little Christmas trees are from the Dollar Tree, and they come 2 in a pack. Actually a snowman ornament that we got from the Hobby Lobby, and we had used this on a previous DIY. Thought the house would look super cute if we added lights, so we decided to give it an even more warm feel. If you want to make yours permanent, you can glue yours in place, but we decided to leave it loose. Well, this does complete our tutorial for today. Comment down below, let us know what you thought of this project. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time. We would love to have you. All you would have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.